Here it is. The Charta Caeli website. Your DIY tool for custom star maps creation. Use the overview section to glimpse at the app's building blocks. If you're a techie, this might be for you. Concepts tell the story of building Charta Caeli. It introduces tools and ideas used on the way. The text is a bit long. It is intended for the ones who are curious about stuff behind the scenes. The community section comprises social media dedicated to Charta Caeli. There are channels for sharing experiences and for watching video tutorials. A link to the sources on GitHub is for those who can't wait to build and set it up all by themselves. The Galleries section presents a couple of sample star maps. They give rough overview at some of Charta Caeli's features. Gallery is also a good place to start your star map creation experience. For that, first watch the samples. The buttons below them apply to the sample in focus. You can open a PDF, or bring up some information about the sample's purpose and the corresponding chart definition. To create a new star map from one of the samples, click the button on the right. It loads the current star chart definition into Composer. Composer is the place to edit your star chart definition. On your first time visit, it's best to leave it as it is. Simply start the generation process for the map just loaded. For this you have to move to the end of the chart definition. In case of long ones, there is a hack to get there quickly. Just click on Concepts, the section that immediately follows Composer, and scroll up a bit until buttons get visible. A couple of buttons control various Composer functions. The one displaying the brand icon starts a chart generation. Star chart creation takes time. It depends on the number and types of elements in your chart definition. Another factor is the number of jobs that are currently running on behalf of other users. So after a while, a dialog will show up and ask for your patience. Finally, your star map will eventually pop up. Open it and see if you like it. In any case, you're welcome to share your experience.